All right, home maintenance, masonry, and concrete. We're so thankful today to be working. Yesterday, I rode down here and just looked up and seen this man's cracks in his driveway. And these are pretty major cracks. You can see them. You can put your whole hand down in there. And I decided to walk up and knock on his door and ask him if I could help him. And he was surely appreciative that I did. So what we're getting ready to do is we're getting ready to blow all this stuff out, clean it out. We're going to fill all these cracks in. And there's several of them. Look at this right through here too. And there's one right here on the sidewalk. See this right here? There's one right here. And then we're going to fix these bricks for them. These bricks were messed up. I don't know if it was hit by a car or what. We're going to fix that. Clean all that. So anyway, we're just so thankful to have this job today. We'll show you some more of this as we're getting going. Thank you so much. Go to repairsforyourhome.com and watch our videos. We thank you so much. Appreciate it. All right, here we are halfway through. We've got all the cracks chiseled out. You can see there's a lot of cracks in here. This place right here is a low place. We've got it filled in with concrete. Just pretty much cracks everywhere. And right here is a place that's low. And Dina's over here. That's Mark's wife. She's over here making this look good. She ain't afraid in here to get in here, get her hands dirty. Now, women out there, I tell you, she got to work these men. She don't play. Look at her. Say, hey, Dina.
Hey.
Yeah, that's Mark's. That's my brother's wife. Well, I'm telling you, she's a worker, boy. She gets in and works. And here's another section that we done. And we're mixed up a different material now for the cracks. This was a pretty wide crack right here. And you can see it, a low spot right there. That crack went all the way down the hill. We've got it filled in. We've still got these little bitty cracks, but we got a different type of material for that crack and a different one for that one. But anyway, that's what it looks like. We still got this crack here. We got the brickwork laid. Look at that. Got all the brickwork laid. Mark's up there doing some touch up on the steps now. We got one major crack right there. Of course, we got to clean that little excess right there up. But here we go. We're getting down on it. So just want to show you what it looks like. Thank you very much for watching our videos. We'll show you the final video after we get all this blowed down and sponged and filled in. Thank you. If you ever have any cracks and you'd like to improve your driveway and help it last a lot longer, this is what we're doing will help you without having to tear the whole wall out and replace it, okay? Thank you so much for helping us by calling us and letting us come and bid a job for you. Goodbye.
Alright, this job is through and complete. Everything's been filled in solid. It's moved over. There's a lot here, as you see. Bunch of cracks. He had some pretty big cracks on this driveway, but doesn't matter if they're big or real small, we can fix them. But they will get bigger if you don't fix them, and to the point that you'll just have to have a new driveway. So call us if you've got some cracks. Contact us some way. Thanks for watching our videos. Have a good day.